Class is conducted by me. Identify the tense. Is conducted. Go through the structures. This is simple present tense. So this is passive of simple present tense. We have to change it into active. Same rule is applicable as I told you. Subject becomes object and object becomes subject. This is passive sentence. We are changing it into active. Me becomes I. Now subject we have got. Active structure we know. Subject, verb, first form and then object. Verb. Here verb third form is given. Conducted. It becomes conduct. Subject becomes object. Class. Subject, verb, first form, object. Structure of simple present tense. Class is conducted by me. It becomes inactive. I conduct class. This is about simple present tense. I will give you examples of one example of all the 8 tenses. He was punished by them. Simple past. This is passive of simple past. So while changing it into active, then becomes they. Subject we got. This is simple past. That's why verb second form we have to use immediately. Punished, same. It will remain same only. Punished. They punished and he becomes him. Simple. They punished him. Active voice. Passive voice. He was punished by them. Neeta will score good marks. Active voice. Now this deliberately I am giving active voice into passive voice because let me explain, let me compare it. Good marks. Vice versa, opposite. Subject and object. This Neeta becomes subject inactive. Good marks becomes object inactive. Isn't it? Good marks will be scored by Neeta, passive voice. Active voice, Neeta will score good marks, simple future. Let us discuss about present continuous passive, how to change passive to active. They are being called by Sneha. Passive of present continuous tense. Now Sneha inactive, that object becomes subject. Sneha is called becomes calling. They becomes them. Sneha is calling them. Active voice, passive voice, they are being called by Sneha. Same thing is applicable for past continuous tense as well. For example, he was being invited by us. Us becomes inactive. We were inviting him. We were inviting him. Same. Present perfect, past perfect and future perfect also we have to use same things. Friends, only structures are very important. For example, now present perfect, past perfect and future perfect we will discuss. He has been selected. Sometimes by whom it may not be given, so we can take anything. For example, now this is passive sentence. I am changing it into active. I have selected, he becomes him. If I change only these helping verbs, for example, in place of has and have, if I use had, he had been selected. Now it becomes I had selected him. Passive voice, he had been selected. Active voice, I had selected him. Let me give example of future perfect tense. Future perfect passive voice. She will have been rewarded by them. Sometimes this part will not be given. That time anything we can use, them, him, her. Likewise it may be there, and then we can change according to us. So here it is already given, she will have been rewarded by them. It becomes they will have rewarded her. Same thing is applicable for passive to active of modal auxiliaries also. Well, let me give you one example. He might be called by us. Us becomes inactive. This is passive. Active, us becomes we. Modal auxiliary might, call, he becomes him. He might be called by us, passive voice. Active voice, we might call him. So friends, this was all about how to change active voice sentences into passive voice and passive voice sentences into active voice. This concept is very easy, but it is easy for those students who know very well subjects and objects, after that subjective pronoun and objective pronoun, and then verb third forms. And whatever structures are given to you, active and passive structures, please by heart those structures, and then with the help of structures you can easily change any sentence into active voice or else any sentence into passive voice. So for a day we'll stop here. In next session we will discuss with next grammar topic. Meanwhile, please stay indoors, stay safe. Thank you.